Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo-hoo-hoo. You already know what you gotta do. Subscribe right below. Show the kids some love. My hair is parted, as you can see. And I'm gonna do a twist out with the products from the curl box. So yes guys, I did it just for you. Honestly, I was like, all right, I gotta wash my hair anyways, and I have a free day, so I might as well do the video. I already washed my hair. I deep condition it. I used what I use to shampoo and condition my hair. I use the Tresemme curl hydrating formula, and I use the Every Strand deep conditioner, which is amazing, by the way. Like, it's crack. I'm definitely gonna link it down below because y'all need to just discover it and use it. It's so amazing. And I'm gonna start this twist out. I usually start with my front, even though I know certain people start with the back. So in this curl box, for my curl box, I'm gonna be using the Curl Repair leave-in, which is this. Oh, I can't see it. Bright. Sorry. But the lighting is like hella bright, but yeah, the curl repair leave-in. I'm gonna use the curling hydrating curly cream. I should read it. See directions. Scoop a liberal amount into your hand and smooth downward on a small section, then pair using fingertips to twist, coil, or wash and go. Alright. I'm scared to use this brush on my hair. Is it like a detangler? The mousse, I don't think I'm gonna use a mousse. I guess I might use this brush, but I don't know, to be honest, because I don't know about all that. So this is the leave-in. Usually when I part the front, I do like the very front of my hair. Like, I do the twist smaller because my hair gets really frizzy in the front. So I find when you do the twist smaller, it comes out more defined. So I'm just parting it more than it already is. And I want to apply a small amount also, so you guys can see the kind of definition this gives when you put it in the hair. So I'm going to start in. I already said this right. I'm going to put the leave-in conditioner. My first video, I didn't really like the smell. I still kind of don't. But the last time I didn't like the smell of something, the smell kind of like disappeared. So I'm starting from the ends and then going to the roots. This is the leave-in. Okay, come from curls. Honestly, I need to cut my ends. I'm just like OD procrastinated that, and I don't know why. Actually, I do know why. I don't want to cut my hair. I think no girl ever wants to cut their hair. And now I'm going to go in with the hydrating curly cream. By the way, the leave-in conditioner is really thick. Wow. So this is the curling cream, and it's really thick. Like, it's thick. She's thick. I'm not going to need that much. I'm going to go in this much because it's like a small little part. I'm gonna use this. Maybe start to comb through. Okay, I see this working maybe when my hair is wet, but if it's dry, it'll go right through it. So now I'm twisting my hair. Just take 2 strands and twist away. This is the only kind of twist I know how to do. So you will not be getting any more of than what I'm doing right now, which is my 2-strand twist. And then when you get to the end, you know, swirl it around a little bit. Give her extra curl, give her extra bounce, you know? And I'm gonna do the same thing right here. Okay, so even though I don't like the smell, it doesn't smell bad. You know, like, because when I was looking at, last night, I was looking at reviews of this, because I'm like, alright, I don't want to risk having a bad twist out, to be honest. So, from the reviews, I see people did like it, so I'm going to give y'all an honest one. Honestly, I'm probably not going to post this probably until, what's today? Today's Monday. Right, so Tuesday. Probably Wednesday I take out the twist because my hair takes forever to dry. Like when I say forever, I mean forever. And it's annoying. But I guess that's what I get for having thick hair. But it was not my choice. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my head now, and I'll be back when I finish. Yeah. Okay guys, so I just finished twisting my hair. This is how it looks. The finishing results. I shall be back when I take them out, which would be about like a day and a half from today. So yeah, I hope this comes out well. The conditioner, the leave-in conditioner is really thick, and so is the curling cream. So I have a little faith in this twist out. Hopefully it comes out popping. Alright, see y'all. Okay, hi guys. So I'm doing this real quick because I gotta go to work. I'm running like a little bit late, but I wanted to show y'all how my twist out came out, and I'm committed. So if I'm late for work, I'm gonna blame y'all. So far, I like it. It doesn't look bad, honestly. It feels soft, but I feel like it still has a hold, which is always good. So this is how it came out. I can see like in better lighting. It's OD shrunk. Like I hate first day hair. It's not bad, but I like the elongate better because it defined my curls better. But it's actually not that bad. I just can't wait for tomorrow so it could like stretch more. That's the only thing. But yeah, I gotta do something with the front. I usually do side parts. I don't know what possessed me to do a center part. But thank you for tuning in, and peace.